In the heart of the KHASI land, where the rivers flow so free, mountains rise like ancient giants, touching skies of blue and green. With every step on sacred ground, the whispers of the trees tell tales of love and laughter, carried softly on the breeze. Oh, KHASI land, your beauty shines with waterfalls that dance like stars in the arms of your warm embrace. I find my home no matter where we are, from Lumsa Bendang's peak so high to the secrets in your forest. Deep in the heart of your people, I feel the love in the rhythm of your dance. My soul will lead. Sorrow's charm, a painter's dream, with colors bold and bright. The mist that wraps the valleys, a canvas kissed by light. The women strong, they carry hope with grace in every stride. In their hands the power of the earth, in their hearts the love inside. Oh, KHASI land, your beauty shines with waterfalls that dance like stars in the arms of your warm embrace. I find my home no matter where we are, from Lumsa Bendang's peak so high to the secrets in your forest. Deep in the heart of your people, I feel the love in the rhythm of your dance. My soul will leave. Oh. Underneath the starlit sky, we gather around the fire. With every beat of the drum, our spirits rise higher. The traditional dance, a story told of love and dreams anew. In every twirl and every step, I find my heart in you. Oh, KHASI land, your beauty shines with waterfalls that dance like stars in the arms of your warm embrace. I find my home no matter where we are, from Lumsa Bendang's peak so high to the secrets in your forest. Deep in the heart of your people, I feel the love in the rhythm of your dance. My soul will lead. So here's to the KHASI land, where the mountains kiss the sky. With every waterfall and whisper, I'll forever hold you high. In the beauty of your valleys, in the strength of your embrace, I found my heart, my home, my love in this sacred place.